Morning, John. Hey, how was your weekend?
Ready for the big shipment today. Verify this tag against the manifest immediately. It checks out, sir. Origin confirmed.
The tracking ID is valid. It matches the shipment from Arusha.
Good. Ensure the physical tag matches the digital record before we sign off on this batch.
The grain consistency is uneven here. And look at this scar. Noted. Let's verify the total usable square footage. See the scarring here near the flank?
Yes, noted. It affects the usable area by at least 10%.
The salinity levels are dropping faster than expected.
Yes, the agitation seems effective.
The pH is 3.5 and the temperature is holding steady.
Confirmed. I'm logging the batch data now.
Okay, pH is holding at 3.2, temperature is 35.
Confirmed. Logging it now. We're on schedule for the next check.
pliability is good, but I'm seeing a minor inconsistency in the finish right here.
Noted. Overall quality is still high though.
This section here has excellent grain, very supple, but we need to watch this scar here.
Yes, I see it. I'll mark it down.
Just a few drops more carefully now.
Let's check it against the swatch. It needs to be exact.
The ratio for the cobalt blue must be precise. Add 2 more drops of the darkening agent.
Understood. The consistency is perfect now.
The softness rating is acceptable. Let's start the tensile strength test.
Initiating sequence. The grain looks superb on this batch.
The tensile strength is holding steady at 250 psi.
Good. I am recording that now. The grain looks excellent.
This grain is ideal for the front panel.
Okay, I'll align the template right here.
This grain is ideal for the front panel.
Okay, I'll align the template right here.
We need to secure this structural support before the next shipment arrives. Make sure the lining is flush against the wall.
Easy now, drop it 5 more centimeters. All right, holding steady.